very, very complicated. So what we can do, because a wife has a body, has a marriage certificate, has everything, but lawyers go to make a marriage match. So what can we do? So that is takes lots of meetings, take many days with many people and with many congregation, and lots of meetings. So I would say yes, it's not easy to deal with, but the spirit is always there for